Dan Ives of Wedbush raising his price target in Palantir to $200, writing, "We believe in the next few years, Palantir has the potential to be a $1 trillion market cap as the AI revolution takes hold." Dan, I'm sure you were listening to what Mandeep was saying about how there is no way for the valuation of Palantir to be more than the combined market caps of Salesforce and Adobe. They can't grow into this quickly enough. What is your counterpoint?
Yeah, I wonder what Mandeep's going to say when it's a $1 trillion company in the next 2 to 3 years. I mean, look, my view is the reason it's the Messi of AI, they are owning the use cases on the software side. And I think the street continues to underestimate where this growth is going. And I believe over the coming years, Palantir, it's going to be on that Mount Rushmore of tech. And that's why investors are recognizing it. And we believe, I think this is just the beginning of this AI revolution, and Palantir is the gold standard.
Dan, this has been a company deeply associated with the Defense Department, deeply associated with the U.S. government and various contracts. How much are they able to parlay that into the public sector? How much does this remain very much a company intertwined with the U.S. government?
Yeah, it's a great point. Look, I mean, if you go back to their history, their roots, it was government. But now it's kind of the 1-2 punch because they're getting massive deals on the government, on the federal side, because when it comes to AI, who's the first call? It's to Carp and Palantir. Then on the enterprise and the commercial, you're basically starting a whole new business. So that's why this is such a unique company. And I understand what Mandeep's saying, but my whole view is, look, the bears, when they're sitting in the caves, they can see AI in the spreadsheets. And I think that's how they've missed this move. And I think they're going to continue to miss it on Palantir.
Dan, when it comes to Palantir, though, the company is deeply connected to Republican politics. Does any of this change if there's a changing of the guard in Washington?
Yeah, look, I think that's something you got to cross that bridge, when they come to. I do think that the technology continues to stand above the rest. I think, because I can tell you all my time in D.C., the agencies, that's what they're focused on. And look, that's why Palantir has been elevated to a special status. You look at Oracle, you look at Microsoft, who they partnering with, Palantir. And I think what's essentially happening here is it's revolutionizing software. But when it comes to AI revolution, we can talk about all the hyperscalers and all the growth that we saw over the last week or two in earnings. The use cases, the golden goose, is Palantir.